Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you don't have money in your pocket? In today's video, I want to bust your bubble. I'm going to share with you how you can travel to the Netherlands for free. This is another scholarship, yes, entirely. If this is something that you are interested in, just keep on watching the video all the way to the very end. And if you're new to this channel, please, introduce yourselves in the comments. Don't you want to introduce? Don't you want me to meet you? Oh yeah, what is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? And to all my channel subscribers, a shakegon, thank you. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. Thank you for always sharing my videos out. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you. Thank you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper, so I don't need to be reminded. So let me introduce myself while you guys do the same thing. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel, I share 3 videos every week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube not here, not on this channel. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, let's go. Let's go. Besties, have you heard of Radboud scholarship programs? It is currently on. But before we even get there, have you thought about why you should study in the Netherlands? Yes, Netherlands has a lot of prestigious universities. Yes, so if you're looking for a study abroad destination that offers you the chance to study at one of the world's best universities, look no further than the Netherlands. If you stay in Netherlands, you will have the opportunity to study at one of the world's best universities. And just so you know, education in the Netherlands is one of the oldest and most reputable higher education systems in the world, with many universities in the Netherlands placing highly in the global rankings. It is no wonder that study abroad in the Netherlands has been so popular. Additionally, education in the Netherlands offers an inclusive global learning environment. Universities in the Netherlands also offer friendly tuition fees, a diverse range of English language programs, and of course a wonderful studying experience for international students. Take the University of Amsterdam, Leiden, or Groningen. Yes, just 3 of the 8 Dutch schools ranked in the world 100. With so many excellent schools offering a huge range of courses, you are bound to find your own perfect program in the Netherlands. Netherlands is also an open-minded society. I hope that the Dutch carry on their daily lives with the live and let live attitude, and that can be seen in the diversity of their surrounding. In fact, inclusiveness has long been a key pillar of the Dutch society, which is another reason why it is popular to study abroad in the Netherlands. I mean, in effect, multinational restaurants, different kinds of bars, brothels, coffee shops, they live in peaceful coexistence in the same neighborhood in cities across the Netherlands. So if you are an international student, studying in the Netherlands may seem strange in the beginning, but you will soon discover that Dutch legalization policies have created a safe space for people to live out their lives no matter who they are. In fact, the Netherlands can even boast that it was the first country in the world to legalize certain things. Back in 2001, if you choose to study abroad in the Netherlands, you will have the opportunity to open your own mind to the diversity of people from around the world. So please do not miss out on this amazing opportunity to study in the Netherlands. Now, these scholarships are funded by the Dutch government or its official agencies, and they are designed to also attract talented individuals from around the world, and they often focus on specific academic levels or fields. Now, most of these scholarships are awarded for full-time master's or bachelor's programs at participating Dutch institutions. Now, the financial coverage and duration may vary, but government-funded scholarships generally contribute towards tuition fees, towards living costs, or even both of them. Some are aimed at students from specific regions or with relevant professional backgrounds. Some are also university-specific. So, Dutch universities also offer scholarships directly through their own institutional funds. Now, they are typically rewarded based on academic merit or financial needs. Some of them allocate scholarships across all their faculties, while some target specific departments or specific programs. The amount and structure of these scholarships can also vary widely. They may cover full tuition or partial tuition, and in some cases they provide additional support for living expenses. The processes are managed by each university and the eligibility criteria are clearly outlined on their official website. The scholarship types are merit-based, which are fully funded universities, and the amount covered is from 18,000 euros, and some of them cover 2,601 visa plus visa fees, residence permits, and basic insurance. Yes, approximately 15,000 euros to 16,000 euros. And here is the eligibility criteria. You must hold a non-EEA nationality. You must be applying to a full-time English taught master's program at Radboud University. You must not already hold a degree from a Dutch institution, and you must meet all academic and language requirements. So guys, this is an opportunity that you don't want to miss in the Netherlands as well. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to Malta for free, how you can study in Malta for free. And I want to assure you, you don't want to miss this for anything. And I hope this video has been a blessing to you. If you are new here, don't make the mistake that a lot of first timers make on this channel, which is they come here and they don't subscribe. Don't make that mistake. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button right now, like this video, and do also turn on the notification bell. Yes, turn on the notification bell and click on all so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now, next thing you need to do is to share. Click on the share button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I want you and your besties, you and your carcos, you and your friends want to travel to, your dream destinations. And by the way, in my previous videos, I also shared fully funded conferences that are taking place in South Africa. Some are taking place in the United States. Some are taking place in Australia. Some are taking place in Romania. Some are taking place in Brazil. And some are taking place in Tanzania. So I shared all those videos in my previous videos on this same channel. You can check them out. Or if you have a particular country in mind you want to travel. Now, please bear in mind that these fully funded conferences are fully paid for. They pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and all that you need for the duration of that conference. It can be a 4-day conference or a 5-day conference. There was even one I shared previously. They are going to pay you. Yes, it's actually for 9 months. It's for 9 months and they're going to pay you $90,000. They're going to pay you $90,000 stipend, yes, for it. So if you don't mind, if you missed that video, you can request for it in the comments and I'll definitely take my time. I'm working for you guys. I'll take my time to share with you. If you want to see more of these opportunities, let me know. But if you want to see more of fully funded conferences, because I asked earlier on my channel if you want, if you want me to share fully funded conferences on my channel, and some of you actually responded and said yes, that's why I shared it. So if you want to see more of that, also let me know in the comments. So guys, if you would like to also book a one-on-one consultation with me, go and join my Patreon community. Yes, feel free to join my Patreon community and we can take it from there. Yes, go ahead and do that right now. And then once you do that, then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, or you can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button. Subscribe to my join my channel membership, and then you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me. Either way, it gives you the right to book a one-on-one consultation with me. And please guys, I need your help. I'm trying to choose a name for my community members. Nothing is coming to my head right now. Nothing is coming to my memory. So please, I don't mind if you give me suggestions, name suggestions of names that a name I can give to my amazing community members. So that will be all for now. If you have any, don't forget to introduce yourselves in the comments. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments. And as always, I've done all the homework for you. Find the link in my description and go ahead and watch this video right here.